everyone. My name is Carolann. Thank you for being here today. This is a body scan meditation. So ideally lay on your back if that's available, whether it's on a couch, a bed, a floor, and just take a moment to get comfortable. Let your eyes close. We'll take 3 cleansing breaths here. So take a deep breath in through your nose. And then open your mouth, sigh it out. Deep breath in. Sigh it out. And one more deep breath in. And let it go. And let yourself arrive onto your mat or your couch or wherever you might be today. Just simply arrive into this space. Notice any sounds around you. And now bring your awareness to your physical body. Notice the points where your body connects with whatever is supporting you. Bring your awareness to your breath and just focus on the sound of your breath. Allow your body to feel heavy. Now bring your awareness to your feet. And just give a little silent thank you to your feet for carrying your body around all day long. Let go of any pains in your feet, maybe in the arches of your feet. Relax your ankles. Bring your awareness up to your shins and your calves. And let go of any tension in your shins and calves. Move your awareness up to your knees, letting go of any aches or pains that you might feel in your knees. Just let it melt away. Let your thighs relax. Bring your awareness to your belly. And as you inhale, let your belly rise. And as you exhale, let your belly soften. Take another round of breath like that here. Let the glutes and the hips relax. Now move your awareness all the way up to your chest and your heart. And just take a moment here to feel your heart beat in. So maybe place one hand or both hands on your heart. Just connect to your heartbeat. Allow your breath to now move more from your chest. And with every inhale, inhale love, happiness, and peace into your heart. And with every exhale, let go of any fears, doubts, or worries. So Inhale in love and happiness and peace. Exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Allow your arms to relax. Your hands, your fingers, let go of any aches and pains, any tightness. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Let go of any stress or tension in the shoulders or the neck. Relax your jaw, so let your lips part slightly. Let go of any tension in your jaw. Allow your eyes to just roll back into their sockets. And then relax your mind. Let go of any thoughts that no longer serve you. And fill up with only positive thoughts. And allow your body, your whole body, to surrender, to let go, to be completely heavy. Stay here in stillness. Just slowly breathing in and out through your nose. Just for another few moments. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, sigh it out. And then take however long you need. Let your eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.